That's one of the things that happens.
I know.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do.
Yeah, you should find out a friend this summer. Stop riding. Yeah.
I'm going to come back and grab one of your
Okay.
I want to. I wanted to. They had I've envisioned it already. And that would have been I mean, that's like March Trails, right?
That's Torrance, yeah.
Probably one way of looking at it, coming fair.
Yeah, exactly.
I hate how you guys got better fish. Yeah.
I mean, okay, calculate mine, okay? But I got it for 33.
Yeah.
And then I paid about 6.
That's our
But it was originally 6. The low volume for 1.3.
I don't know. It's just, I feel like it's too narrow to put a house.
Yeah. For your space?
Yeah, it's too narrow. It's too narrow.
He's in front of me.
Yeah, it's probably really sweet.
It'd be $37.91. You would save $8.60 today.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, so there's 4 to 5. Or do you want to use the bathroom here? Go on an adventure, Jacob. Yeah, drink coffee and water. Go on an adventure. Hi. And then 60 something, but you get the 20% off. So this one is $47.99. This one is $99.99. And this now.
That's the red and white and blue.
Put you in motion. See you, Mitch. Good seeing you.
All right, you too.
But now, I don't know if
Come on up. Yeah, just put away your milk. I'm gonna put away your milk. This round. So that new Harley electric poncho.
Another deal. I see you walking and looking like
Because that's what happened to me. Because the moment I got here, I upgraded my brakes.
I think it's the same amount of money. You can hit both. Oh, okay. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, I got the guy.
Yeah, exactly.
Or like, let's just take 10 bags. It would suck to blue ball you if you only got like 3 days in Japan.
I didn't.
Yeah,
I got
exactly.
You got the whole.
It's like the same comfort as a fucking free.
Yeah. You can
But the space in the seats
He is terrible.
yeah, but dude, it's too small.
If I can get it print, I want to get one before.
It's kind of in the same like water bike things, and then you come to the bottom, so I have
That's exactly how it is.
So I have to go from the top, and I have to reach all the way down to the bottom of the engine, basically. All the way to the top. And my engine is also not as low as it's just I'm getting everyone does
So this, oh yeah, oh, water.
We see as much.
He doesn't open
So far.
It's not that bad. It's like a 20 minute drive.
Like 20 minutes to
actually need more to go.
When I tapped into like, tell me, oh, you're gonna regret that.
It's gonna go up fast.
It says like, what is that? Yeah, so what's no. Wait, it's not okay. Yeah. Right. Yeah, you could. That's what I'm
Start top down.
Bro, that frog charm is so heavy.
No, I never. True. I woke up and I was like, way too tired.
Remember the first time I came here over there, they had literally every single road here, all and right next to it, all had Texas. I'm surprised it was insane.
Really? I'm surprised he got a spot. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Are you guys part of like a element club?
So I'm part of the Bay Area,
Uh-huh.
and then these guys are here, the low life element, and then we also have the SoCal,
Oh,
and then the element side here.
so low life, so SoCal too.
Yeah, so yeah, low life SoCal also.
You came all the way from Bay Area?
Yeah, I just got back from Pacific Northwest in Seattle
Oh, nice.
Tuesday. There's a big element meet there once a year. 221 showed up this year.
What's it called?
Pacific Northwest meet for the elements there.
Oh, that's so cool.
There's a guy came from Canada. Those couple guys right there. I saw this.
I don't gamble at all.
I just want to meet him too. And they were in Seattle. Every year, once a year. Last year was August. Next year. Now Sacramento made one too, so now we have Sacramento element. It's the first one, only. I put like maybe more
Oh. There. That's funny.
Morning. Go element.
Element?
More element.
So, blue element? Blue element. So, with blue element? Blue element. I just spawned that element.
Okay, go. This way. This way.